We are Team Polar Bear, and we designed an igloo to be a part of the 2020 Waller Creek Show in November.
Hi, my name is Alina Davison. I am a senior and I am interested in engineering. So, as the world faces the detrimental consequences of climate change, our team created a design for the Waller Creek Show that sought to address these devastating impacts. We especially saw fit to connect back to the mission of Waller Creek, which seeks to promote environmentalism and connect members of the local community. So while brainstorming, we saw that this creek show provided a great opportunity to fuse both of our design goals and the mission of Waller Creek. Specifically, we were inspired to comment on the human condition and its implications on the world, especially in iconic areas such as the Arctic, by modeling an unconventional melting igloo. Having such a foreign structure in our Texas community highlights its significance and our message to combat climate change while encouraging diverse encounters. The melting aspect intends to assert the irony of losing a meaningful characteristic of the winter season, being the cold, and challenge the indifference of our current society towards climate change. While doing this, we also wanted to reflect the ideas that we learned in the ACE program, specifically the ideas of sustainability and considering ideas of construction and design and how that would be implemented into our project.
Hi, my name is Camila Vera Tudela, and I am a senior. I will be studying architecture in the fall at the University of Texas. Our project is located in the heart of downtown Austin, just a few minutes away from the Capitol and from the University of Texas. It is located exactly at the intersection of 11th Street and Red River. The Waller Creek Show path passes through about 2 bridges, so we planned for our igloo to be under one of them. And the reason for that is because we wanted to incorporate water to reflect our continued theme of environmental conservation, recognizing the increasing temperatures' effects on both domestic and foreign habitats. The audience can access the show mainly coming off of I-35 and entering 12th Street. Throughout downtown, there is much parking space. However, for the most available parking spaces, there is a parking garage near the entrance of the show in between 9th and 10th Street with Red River. In terms of pedestrian access, being downtown allows for very easy access from walking in every direction to the show. The bus stops at Waller Creek specifically, and there is easy access walking distance from and to the metro stations. Being a project that is meant to attract a broader audience within the Austin area, this is essential to allow anyone to come and enjoy the art of the Waller Creek Show.
Hi, my name is Grace Sam. I'm a sophomore and I'm interested in engineering. In the picture for the physical model of the igloo, we used wooden beams that create the triangles that represent the bamboos that are going to be used to create the structure to the igloo. The top of the igloo is slanted inwards and jagged to represent the melting of the igloo due to climate change. The transparent paper covering the triangles represent the plexiglass used between the bamboo poles. Additionally, the colored string that is inside the igloo represents a fog machine and icicle lights that will be used to represent the northern lights, which is something that is never visible in Texas.
Hello, ACE. My name is Charlie Dorado, and I built a 3D model of our project. I used AutoCAD to construct the final model and SketchUp for previous attempts. I based the design off of our physical model, keeping the look more or less the same. The model itself is a geodesic dome, which in simple terms is an imperfect dome made out of triangles. Geodesic domes are very structurally sound and a lot simpler to construct than perfect domes. As a bonus, they are also very interesting to look at. For the entrances and exits, I extruded out a hexagonal shape from the main dome. The back exit is off-axis from the main entrance as to keep one entering from looking right back outside and follow any curve of the Creekshow path. The igloo is 15 feet tall in the center and each opening is 7 feet tall. It is 16 feet wide, excluding the openings, with the front entrance being 5 feet long and the back exit being 3 feet long.
So, the main materials used to construct our igloo will be plexiglass, dried bamboo, and icicle lights. The plexiglass will be used to build structure and allow for outside view. Additionally, the plexiglass will provide for excellent clarity and impact strength and are very durable compared to general glass and are made out of generic acrylic sheets. The lights are waterproof and use a low voltage power supply. Additionally, it is extendable and can be connected to another set of lights. These lights are energy efficient and are dust-proof and use transparent PC material. They are corrosion resistant, cost resistant, aging resistant, and are more durable than your regular lights. They are also free from time and space constraints. The bamboo that we will be using will be 1 inch by 5 feet, and the poles are flexible and sturdy building material, and each piece will be unique due to the natural bamboo. So we will be buying 8 packs total, and in each pack there will be 25 poles, and each pack costs $157.95. That brings the bamboo total to $1,263.60. The lights come in a 1 pack of 30 lamp tubes, each with 24 wicks. We will be buying 10 packs total, with each pack costing $92.70. That brings it to a total of $927 for the lights. In order to install the light fixtures and make sure the lights are working, we'll also require electrical work. For 2 days total, and each day costing $280, the electrical work will come out to be a total of $560. The plexiglass will be 18 inch by 24 inch sheets, and we will be buying 90 sheets total, with 10 of the sheets being extra. Each sheet costs $16.80, but that brings it into a total of $1,512. To make the colored mist, we will be using a fog machine that will be $30.53. The machine includes LED lights that can change colors according to a remote. In total, the money for the igloo will be $4,293.13. This is well under the maximum budget of $20,000.
Our projected construction time is about a week, with 3 days of framing, 2 days of adding the plexiglass installations, and lastly 2 days for electrical work, for example, hanging lights and installing the fog machines.
Overall, through our project, we hope to assert a greater message to the Austin community to take on the responsibility to take care of our planet. As Christine Lagarde said about climate change, it is a collective endeavor, and we hope that our project can spark new conversations among different people about how we can best protect our environment in the future.
Thank you for joining us with our presentation today, and we hope you enjoyed.